Question number 4. Question number 3 is homework. See question number 4. If the lateral surface area of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter, then find first part radius of its base and second part its volume. They are given that pi value as 3.14. So lateral surface area or curved surface area. What is that? Curved surface area is given as CSA of cylinder. They are given as 94.2 centimeter square. And the height h is equal to. What is the height given in the question? 5 centimeter. Okay. So they didn't give the value of r directly. For finding the value of r, they are given curved surface area. Okay. So what is curved surface area of a cylinder formula? 2 pi rh. So we can write curved surface area as 2 pi rh is equal to 94.2 centimeter square. Okay. 2 into 3.14 into r into h. 5 equal to 94.2. Therefore, r equal to 2 5s are 10. 10 into 31.4, what you will get? Sorry, 10 into 3.14, what you will get? 31.4. So, 94.2 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 into 3.14, 31.4. So, we will get the r value as 94.2 divided by 31.4. So, 31.4 and 94.2, 3 times we can divide it. So, we will get the r value as 3 centimeter. Okay. Next, they ask you to find out first part of the question over. They ask you to find out the radius. So, radius is 3 centimeter. Next, they ask you to find out volume, isn't it? So, volume of cylinder V equal to volume of cylinder. Volume equal to pi r square h cubic units. So, 22 by 7 into r square. R value is 3. 3 into 3 into h value 5. Okay, so 22 into 9 into 5 divided by 7, that is 22 into 45 division 7. 22 into 45, pi value we have to consider as 3.14 children. So we must write with 3.14, not with 22 by 7. Sorry, because they are given in the question that 3.14. 3.14 into 3 into 3 into h is 5. Okay. So 3.14 into 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. You will get the final answer as 141.30 centimeter cube. All must do the calculation, multiplication in the rough column and check it whether you are getting 141.30 centimeter cube. Next, see question number 5. In that question, 3 parts are there in the question. Okay. So, first let us read the question and understand the meaning of the question. Okay. It costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep if the cost of painting it at a rate of rupees 20 per meter square. So, these are the data given in the question. So, cost 2200, that is equal to what? The curved surface area of a cylindrical vessel of height 10 meter at a rate of rupees 20 per meter square. Okay. So, first you must write given that h is equal to 10 meter. Given that h is equal to 10 meter. Let small r be the radius, inner radius of the cylindrical vessel, let small r be the radius of cylindrical vessel, therefore curved surface area, inner curved surface area, inner CSA equal to, what is the curved surface area of a cylinder? 2 pi RH. So write 2 pi RH. We have the H value as 10. So substitute here 2 pi R, we don't know, H is 10. That is 2 tens are 20 pi R. Put it as equation number 1. Curved surface area they asked in the second part of the question, isn't it? So, first part of the question. So, for that you must write 20 pi R is the curved surface area. So, if you are getting the value of R, you can substitute here, we will get the curved surface area. For finding the R value, they are given that if the cost of painting is at a rate of rupees 20 per meter square, the cost is given as 2200. Okay, so write cost of painting 1 meter square. What is that? Cost of painting 1 meter square equal to rupees 20. Okay, so the curved surface area is 20 pi r. For cost of painting 1 meter square is rupees 20. Therefore, cost of painting 20 pi r meter square. Okay, is equal to what? 20 pi r into 20. So, 2 2s are 4 followed by 2 zeros, 400 pi r meter square. Okay children. So, cost of painting rupees 20 per this much area only they are given as 2200. Therefore, by given data or according to the question, both is same. Okay, according to the question or by given data, this 400 pi r they are given as rupees 2200. Okay, pi value they didn't ask you to put 3.14, so we can substitute 22 by 7. So we will get 400 into 22 by 7 into R equal to 2200. So R equal to 2200 into 7 divided by 400 into 22. So 20 and 20 get cancelled. 22 and 22 get cancelled. We will get the R value as 7 by 4 meter. So first part of the question we got it. Sorry, second part only they ask you to find out the radius. Actually radius part only first we must find out. After finding the radius only we will get the curved surface area. Okay. So R equal to 7 by 4 meter. This will be the answer for the second subdivision of your question. Then what is the first subdivision? Curved surface area. So curved surface area, already I put equation number 1. Substitute for the answer for the first one. Substitute R equal to 7 by 4 in equation 1 round. We will get curved surface area. So curved surface area is equal to, right, curved surface area equal to 20 pi r, 20 into 22 by 7 into, we got the R value 7 by 4. Why I kept like this way means, for writing 7 by 4 here, see 7 and 7 we can cancel it very easily. So don't write here in decimals. Okay. So 7 and 7 get cancelled. Here 2 2s are 4, 11 2s are 22. 2 and 20 10 times. 10 into 11 into 10 into 11, we will get this as 110 meter square. 110 meter square. Next they ask you to find out the volume. So can you do the volume as a homework children? Because pi r square h value you know 10, r value you know 7 by 4. So third part of this question as homework. Okay. So complete that third part. Because volume pi r square h, you have to substitute. The rest everything I completed. So substitute and find out the volume here.